We're going to Hakone Open-Air Museum. Museum is one of the attractions in Hakone, and it has lots of outdoor sculptures spread around the park. So you would go around there to have a look at the art pieces. It is a very big park, so you will have walking around a lot and take a lot of photos. It's a sightseeing place too. Walking around this park is really soothing and relaxing. Everywhere you see there are sakura flowers like the ones behind me, and lots of sculptures everywhere. Everywhere you look, sculptures, sculptures, sculptures. Sculptures, 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 sculptures. And the sculptures are interesting to look at, and this is a very easy way to spend your day. Fun looking at all those sculptures, seeing the beautiful sights, and lots of pretty sights, lots of pretty pictures, beautiful sculptures, weirdling shapes. If you are here to have some calm time, be sure to check this place out. It's a really good for some walking, and you also get to see some statues.